So now as an operator, as I enter this information that usually just lived on a log sheet, I can now go to Axiom, which allows me to visualize those two key parameters. I focus my operator's attention to that stuff they just entered. Why? Because this is what I've said is important for the operation of the plant. So this screen that you're looking at now is Axiom. Axiom allows you to do multiple different things. The first being of what we were showing is manual data entry. This is now allowing you to see those points. The reason is because those points are now in the Canary historian. You also have access to any other points you've connected to the historian. As you can see over here, I've got two pump flow meters that I've got that are reading real-time information from the plant. Another thing, and I'll show you how we get to this in the background, are this daily flow accumulation. So that's actually using these flow rates summed up over a day, calculated at midnight, because some operator really cares about what that value is, right? And they say, hey, you've got to know that to be able to run the plant. Okay, great. Well, instead of making that operator go and have to pull that data, let's give them that information right here. What is important? What do we need to know? And then we'll talk a lot about this. This is an event table. So now as an operator, I can see every time here, I see, oh, wow, that was out of the specification high. That's why it's red. I can see what happened, how long it was in that case, and I have that historical reference of what's going on here. Now, as far as visualization tools go, Axiom hits everything you're looking for and then some.